How to create Shopify customizable products. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your product or make the variation available for your customers or your clients when they want to buy a product. For example, you have a t-shirt collection or you have a t-shirt that you want to print or you use the print on demand option. Here you can make a customization, for example, the color or the design, for example, a customizable design for the client. Here it is very easy. All you have to do, it is simple. Go to shopify.com, set up your store and put the products right here and you will be nearly good to go. Here for the product, for example, I have a sweater. This sweater is, as you can see, white and gray, like this, or gray and the darker gray, like this. I want, for example, to add a variant for this sweater. I want to put the black one, the red one, and the, for example, all white one. Here on the Shopify options, you can't add a lot of variants. For example, you can add size, or you can add the color, but it is limited to 3 options. These are the only 3 options that you can add. This is no problem. All you have to do is to go to your Shopify store. Here you type on the search bar global, like this, global, Globo, and you will see global product option. You have to search it in Shopify App Store. In my case, I have already installed the app, but for your sake, I will go again and see the app on the App Store. It is like this, global product options, comma, variant. I will click on it. Then it will guide me to the installation page. You click on install and you are good to go. Here I installed the global app. It has the option to add a lot and tons of customization to your or variation to your products. It has the free plan and it has also the paid plan. To activate the plugin or the template, all you have to do is to go to your online store. Then you go to themes. Themes is the way to go. Here you go to customize, and from here you go to the theme setting, and the app embed, sorry for that, and you will see the global product option is activated. If it is not activated, all you have to do is to activate it immediately. Now I will exit. Then I will go to the product option. Make sure to go to the settings. This is the first step to do to see the modification or the options that you have added. And then you can see that let's see the integration, no, theme setup. Yes, the theme setup is the most important thing to see. If you make, for example, variation or customization for the product and you don't see them, that's because if the first case you haven't activated the app on the store, and the second suggestion is that the theme setup is not the right one. Here you can see the app embed activated on one of these 4 themes that I have in my store. You have to choose the live theme that you have, then you will click on it and it will be shown right away. Let's go back to the templates. Here you can create the option set by clicking on this case. You will see the previewer of the options that you are adding or the variants right here. And here are the elements that you can add. You click on add elements. Here, as you can see, you can put a lot of options, but most of the options are paid. So you have to upgrade the plan to use these features. Let's go with the simple ones. For example, I want to add a text box. This is the text box. I want to modify the title. I will click on the text box. Then I will change the label. For example, I will put a question or put design, or for example, let's go with name the character, for example, that you like this want to draw. This is an option, for example, for drawing or printing or print like this. This is more suitable. Print on the t-shirt. Here you can add it as an add-on product and it will be paid, or you can make it for free if you have included the price of the print on the price of the hoodie or the t-shirt. It is up to you. Here, to put it as an add-on for the product, you have to upgrade to the future or the paid plans such as the premium and the pro. You can make this field required, for example, or you can make it not. It is up to you. You have more advanced options. You can see right here. These are some upgradable plan options and etc. You can see whatever you want. You can customize this box whatever, and like you can put it like this. You can put it a mini box. You can put it, for example, a big box like this. You can put an HTML class and you are good to go. Here you go back, for example, I want to add more elements. Let's go with the color swatch. The color swatch is very simple. As the name is, you have to put the variation of the colors. I will name this color swatch label color and the name color. Here, the color and the value. The color here is white. I will add, for example, another color. All you have to do is to click on the rectangle. Let's put the red. Here we will put the green. And right here we will put the black one. You can put a code, for example, for the color that you have, and you put it right here. Then you click on save. Here you have to name the options. White, for example, red, like this, green, and finally black, like this. Black, and we are good to go. Here you have to put this on required field. For example, they can choose whatever color they want, and we are good to go also. Here is fully customizable. For example, you can put them like this, this, and this. Now let's go back and add another option. Let's add an element. You can add a button, color swatch, image swatch. You can add a radio button or a checkbox. Let's go with the checkbox. I want to add a checkbox, for example, and add 3 options like this. And the checkbox, I will name it here style, like this, style. The options, I will choose options, for example, light, here dark, for example, like this. Here we will put the capital letter, and here let's go with shadow, like this. These are some samples that you can add. You can put these vertically or horizontally. It is up to you. For example, I want to make them horizontally. It is like this, and we are good to go. You can add another element. Let's see a radio button, for example. You can add a radio button. You can add options. These are the variation. For example, radio button. Let's put, for example, tissue. For example, let's go with quality of material, like this. Materials like this. Here you have cheap, medium, and the third one is expensive, or for example high quality, like this, and you are good to go. You have to put this as a required field, same as the color and the style, for example, and you can put it horizontally like this, and you are good to go. Or you can put it like this, it is good. And don't forget to click on save to save everything. Here, when you click on save for the first time, it will see the notice popping like this. Please select product to apply this option set. Click select product on the left side. This is the left side. We have the elements and we have the products. Here you can use the manually product. For example, you can choose the product, or you can add for all products. Here I will go with manually, since the all products is very obvious, and select a product. Let's go with the spiral, or no, I will go with the sweater number 2. This is the sweater that I want to use. For example, let's go with this green. I will add to this. This is the sweater. I will click on save, and for the preview, all I have to do is to click on preview right here. It will be previewing the options for the colors, and there you go. Name the character that you want to print. We have wrote in this section. This is the box. It is a fillable box. You can choose the color. You can also link the colors for the t-shirt. For example, if you have a variation, you can put a link or an image under each color. When you click, for example, on red, it will be shown the red t-shirt or the green sweater. The style, you can select a style, put dark or one of them. The quality of materials, you can put only one of these. You can see it is very customizable. And finally, the logo or the powered by global option is written right here. That was the preview for the select option or the options that we have set. Now let's go and see more elements. You can click on add element, put a text area, for example. This is the text area. You can put the text area right here, or you can drag and drop it right here. You click on this 6 points or 6 dots. You can put it right here, for example, like this, and it is looking like this. Let's customize the text area. You can put it at add-on, but unfortunately we can't put this right now because we have the free plan. All you have to do is to upgrade to the plans. I will show you the plans for a little bit. Here we have the monthly and the yearly plans. We have the free version. These are the options that we have. Number of option set is very limited, 5. Number of elements per option set, 20. And condition, specific condition, product, 20. We have the condition automate rule. This is not looking on the free and the premier version. It is only on the pro. Duplicate option set, it is available. Import option set, it is not. Export, it is not. You can see here the difference between the plans and the price. Here, for the premium plan, for the yearly subscription, you will get 16% off for the products or the monthly fees. You can get a 14 days free trial on each premium or pro plan. You can put and select and see if you want to add or buy these subscription. It is up to you, but I highly recommend you to use the pro app or the premium plan because they are very necessary to put an ad on the product that you want. Here are the templates. For example, you can see the templates right here. These are the templates that set up by the global product option. As you can see here for the phone case, they have their template. You can see the demo right here. This is the demo like this. This is the select type, clear case, MagSafe compatible. Here is the type or the variation that you can add. Here are the device, for example, select device. This is a drop down menu like this. You can also add this type of variation on the plan. It is very easy. For example, if you are selling phone cases or having something like this, and this is the color box right here. The customization, you can put the name right here, and for the style you can add these. It is customizable, and you can add this without any effort by just trying it for free right now. And you have the text color, for example, and the selection will add $30 on the price. Here you can customize this. For example, let's go and see another simple one to use. Let's see, let's go with one which is not complicated. This is the jersey. Let's view this demo. Here we have the custom logo on off. They can choose or upload a file. Here the color, number of players, for example, and the player name, number, and here the size, the quantity. Let's go with this one and customize it and use it as a template. These are the elements that we have. We have the preview disabled right here because we have the premium features. Let's go with this. You can only add one of these, either the previewer or the editor, because it has maybe the larger screen or the lot of features to add, so the editor will not support all of these tasks. Here we have the team name, we have the custom logo, the button or the switch. It is a upgradable option. Upload your logo, upgradable option. You can add the color. You can see here the color. You can add an image, for example, and these are the images or the colors. Right here, what do we have? The size chart, player name, here the number, for example. They have added the number. This is the upgradable option, and you can see these are the some of the premium or the pro features that you can add. Here it is very simple. They have added a lot of player, for example, name, number, size. This is not a big of a deal. For example, the player name is right here, or the player number 9 right here. You can put the number or name of the player, the number, the size. You can choose one of the sizes and you are good to go. Those are only the options or the template that you can use. It is very simple. You can see here like this, toy cars. This is not found right here. Let's go with composition set. You can see right here they will upload the models. It is very effective to use like this. The glasses, let's go with the glasses. You can see it is very simple. You can have these boxes and it is very simple and ready to go. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content and see you on the next one.